Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming JDK 11 or newer is active and Java Home is set. This matters because tools rely on the runtime. Once done, create a Maven or Gradle project and add the build plugin. This gives you automated tasks. Next, add an action class with a clear execute method. Write a simple unit test so you can run it immediately. Make sure to keep package names consistent and build once to verify compilation. This prevents wasted time later. You now implement the core logic. Create input and output DTOs or use mapstring, object if flexible typing is required because clear contracts reduce bugs. Once you have inputs defined, write the main logic in short, testable methods and handle exceptions with specific catch blocks. Log useful context. Then connect the action to your runtime. Use annotations or register it with dependency injection so the host can discover it. Run integration tests. You finish by packaging the artifact and verifying version and checksum. This ensures deployments use the correct build. Once packaged, run integration scenarios, substituting mocks for external services to isolate behavior. Deploy to a staging environment and monitor logs and metrics. If something fails, enable debug logging and reproduce a minimal failing case. This makes root cause analysis tractable. Make sure to revert verbose logs after fixing. Verbose logs can expose sensitive data and hurt performance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.